with Marielody. Marielody.
Hi friends, welcome back to Marielody. Today we're going to discuss our 5 senses and we're going to learn about it. But I have a special treat today and it's in this mystery Marielody bag. Come on, let's go explore our 5 senses. Cece, let's sing a song to help us remember our 5 senses. Are you ready? I use my eyes to see, see. I use my ears to hear, hear. I use my hands to touch, my nose to smell, my tongue to taste, taste. I use my eyes to see, see. I use my ears to hear, hear. I use my hands to touch, my nose to smell, my tongue to taste, taste. Cece, to help us learn our 5 senses, let's go explore at the Little Explorers Playhouse where we could see and touch and explore what they have. Come on, let's go! We are in Brooklyn in Little Explorers Playhouse. It is so much fun. Come explore with me and Cece and see what it's all about. Come on an adventure with us around the playhouse. Let's put it inside. Boom! Do boom! Say boom! Yeah. You do that now. Your turn. Push it. Push it. Yay. Push. Good job. Push. Wow. Now, Elliot, let's do peekaboo. Open it. We're gonna open it up. Say open. Open. Good job. Say open. What do we see behind the window? What is that? Chicken. A chicken. What does a chicken say? Chick. Say chick. What is behind this door? Door number 2. Open. Peekaboo. Can you say open? Say open. And what do we see, Cece? We see a horsey. What does the horsey say? Neigh. Let's go see what else we can play with in the playhouse. Come on, let's go. I see something exciting over there. It's popping balls. Should we go see what that is? Come on, Elliot. Let's go see the balls. Ollie, look how the air is pushing them up. Let's line them up. Ready? Let's line them up in a row. Watch your fingers. 1, 2, up, 3, up, 4, up, 5, up. Exactly. Say it again. It's a conveyor belt. You know what a conveyor belt is? Something that spins around and around and around. Okay, here we go. The wheel goes round and round. It stops at every town. And when the wheel stops, you are in. Now we're gonna go the opposite direction. Here we go. We're going the opposites. Opposite. The wheel goes round and round. It stops at every town. And when the wheel wheel stops, you are in. You ready?
I'm in the airplane.
But wait, and then I have one with the ball. You want to see how to play this game? It goes like this. The ball goes round and round. Pass it. It stops. Pass it to me. Pass it to me. Pass it to me. It stops at every town. And when the little bally stops, you are out. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Hi. Hi, Elliot. Look at this fancy wall and what it does. The shape is a circle. When you say circle, say circle. And it's round. It's round. And watch. This ball is white. But then when Cece moves it turns to the color green. Whoa! Just like Cece's eyes are green, the ball is green. Let's see. Ooh, this one's fun. It has half white and half green. And watch, if I spin it, let's see what it's gonna come. What do we think? Is it gonna be white? Is it gonna be green? What is it going to be? White. Let's do that again. Spin. What is it going to be? Oh, half and half. Let's try one more time. Cece, you do it. Spin it. 1, 2, 3. Whoosh. Green. Look at these soft, square blocks. We're gonna build a tower together. Here we go. Let's build it nice and high.
Did you make it in?
Now we are going to use our ears to listen and hear. Come listen to the instruments with me.
Cece, do you hear that with your ears? I hear something shaking. What is it? It's a shaker! We love to shake and dance with this. It's shaped like an egg. Let's shake. Shake, shake, shake it up. Shake, shake, shake it up. What else could we listen out for? Sounds like a jingle. Do you know what it is? That's not a trumpet. It's a jingle, Cece. Guess again. You're right. It's a bell that jingles. Woo! I love this. What is that loud noise? I hear banging. Boom, boom. No, it's not a monster, Cece. It's a drum. Come on, let's drum. Boom, 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 boom. I love all these sounds. This is amazing. Boom, 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 boom. It is very important we have our hearing to listen. Also, when Mommy calls our name, Cece. You heard that, didn't you? Cece. We use our ears to hear. All these noises like the drum, boom, boom, and the jingle, 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 and the egg, shake, shake. These are all amazing sounds that we hear. Also, when we go outside, we hear birds chirping and horns in the cars beeping if you live in a city. All these things are amazing to listen and hear. Another thing that we love to listen to is music. We're gonna listen to the piano and we're gonna sing the song Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. I love that song. You too, Cece? Do you know Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star? Sing with me. We're gonna sing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Now it's time to play a fun game with Eddie's friends. We're going to use our nose to smell and our tongue to taste. Come play with us. What's your name?
Eddie Dweck.
Okay, Eddie Dweck. Do you know your 5 senses?
Yeah.
What is the first sense that you could think of?
Tongue.
Let me see. What do you use your tongue for? To eat and taste. Okay, next up. What's your name?
Alan.
Okay, Alan, what's the next sense? Do you know your 5 senses?
Smell.
What do you do to smell? What is your favorite thing to smell?
Food.
Oh, me too. I love that smell. Fresh food out of the oven. Okay, next up. Who's up?
Eddie.
What's your name?
Eddie.
Okay, and what's the next sense that you know?
Here.
What do you do? What is something you like to hear?
Bear scratch.
Ooh, a bear scratch. That's a good one. I love that one. Okay, you're up next. Cece, this is so much fun. What is your next sense? Do you know what's your name?
Michael.
Okay, and tell me a sense that you know.
Your hands to touch.
Oh, what do you like to feel?
Fabric.
Oh, me too. I like to feel fabric. You like soft or rough fabric?
Soft.
Me too. Okay, and what is the last? Wait, come over here. What's your name?
Ruby.
Okay, and what's the next one?
To see.
And what do you love to see? It's a hard one.
Rainbows.
Oh, I love rainbows. It's hard. You have to catch that one. All my friends here are blindfolded, so that means they can't see. So they have to use their senses. They're gonna use their nose to smell. Let's see who could smell what I have for them. They don't know what it is, so come on, let's see. First test is to Ruby.
Chocolate.
Okay, let's see.
Chocolate.
Yum. Okay, you need to go a little higher up here. Eddie, I can't see. Okay, there we go.
Chocolate.
Okay, so far we have, how many guessed chocolate? 3. Let's see.
Chocolate.
And?
Chocolate.
This one. Let's see if they could guess. Here we go.
Onion. Ooh, onion. What's onion?
What does an onion do? Does anyone
It
know?
smells very bad.
What about makes your eyes tear? Onion.
Onion. Crawl.
Try. Let me try. Okay, good guess. Let's see.
Lemon.
Okay. Coming. Alan, I'm coming to you.
Orange.
And
Orange.
the winner is, lift up guys, orange.
Yay!
That was a tough one for you guys. We are now going to give our friends taste tests. Let's see what they could taste with their tongue and guess what it is. Come on.
I feel like it's.
Feels so squishy.
I think it's. Oh, what is this?
Okay.
So
Okay, taste it. Okay, everybody taste it.
marshmallow. Marshmallow.
Anybody want more?
Yeah.
By the way, isn't it cool to use your senses? Okay, Ruby. Actually, Eddie, you're first. Go. Everyone touch.
Oh,
What does it feel like?
I lost bite.
Here's another one.
It's a pretzel. I tasted it.
A pretzel, yeah, I feel the bumps.
Okay.
I
Okay,
use my
last.
eyes to see.
Yep. Last one.
Ah! Ow! It's sour. Lemon.
Oh no, I don't want to taste
No.
it. Ow!
Ew. No, it's a lemon.
It's a lemon.
It's a lemon.
We got them.
We used a lot of senses here. We used our hands to touch. They guessed soft and squishy. They guessed hard because of the pretzel. And they even tasted salty, sweet, and
Sour.
This was so much fun. Hope you all enjoyed as much as I had fun. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah!
You waited so patiently. You too, Cece, you were waiting all day to see what was in that mystery bag. Well, we learned our 5 senses. We learned about eyes, ears, nose, hands to touch, and taste. What do we have in the mystery bag? I'm gonna close my eyes and I'm gonna pick something. This feels rough and rubbery. What is this, Cece? That's funny in the mystery bag. What else do we have? Let's dig inside. I don't know what this one is. It feels smooth and there's ridges and it's round. A helmet? That goes with the football. It's a football helmet. Amazing! It's a bunny. It's soft and furry. Oh, Cece loves this bunny. I don't know. Cece, what do you think it is? An apple? I don't think so. An apple's round. Close! A banana! Who eats bananas? Monkeys! Ooh, ooh, ah, 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 ah. I also eat bananas. My favorite snack. You want some, Cease? Delicious. Ooh, you got some on your face. That's all we have for today. If you want to come and see what else is in my mystery bag, come join us next time and see what other silly things we could find in there. Bye, friends. Subscribe and like. Mwah.
Now it's time to say goodbye to Marielody. We hope to see you next time. Come back to Disney. We always have so much fun. Thanks for watching, everyone. It was such a treat. Can't wait for the next time we meet. Bye from your friend, Marielody.